to everybody get your hands up and act scared.
Ralph, you are on my side.
Well, that's why I'm scared.
Get out here.
Oh,
If I told you to jump off a cliff into Hollow Rocks, you gonna do that?
not again.
At least you're learning. Come on, let's rob a train. Now we gotta hurry. That conductor's gonna be back, okay?
Hurry,
Yep.
okay.
Yep. Now we wanna get all their gold.
Gold.
Silver. Copper, dollars.
Copper and dollars. Hey, hey, hey.
Now, it's not dollars, it's dollars.
Oh, dollars.
Dollars. D-A-W.
Dollars.
L-R-Z.
Dollars.
Yeah. Yeah, and you're gonna get these high rollers.
Oh, the high
I'll
rollers.
take the cheap seats back here in the back.
And the
okay?
cheap seats.
Yeah, and just drop it.
All right, gold and silver,
Everybody got
anybody?
the
Y'all
silver?
got any cents
Gold
down
and
here?
silver?
High fives. Gold and silver.
Happy birthday.
Y'all pay attention, you're being
Happy
robbed.
birthday.
Hi there, gold, silver,
Ooh,
hi
you
there,
can't
gold,
sound
silver. See, we're looking shady today. Gold,
Gold,
silver.
silver.
He sits it
Gold,
all down
silver,
here.
copper.
Gold, silver, copper. Y'all pay attention, you're being robbed.
Gold,
Hi, bud.
silver.
Gold, silver. A lot of fives, no tens or 20s though. Gold, silver. Hi, buddy.
Y'all gonna go for
Gold, silver.
Gold,
Copper.
silver. Look at that.
Dollar.
You can tell. Look at
Y'all got
that,
any
baby.
cents down here? Was that for me? Oh, well, thank you.
Y'all gonna
Glad
go
you
for
robbing
silver?
you. Thank you
Any
very
cents
much.
at all?
Gold,
Boy,
silver.
these are the cheap seats, aren't
No,
they?
all right. Gold, silver.
silver.
How about you, lady? Loaded. Gold, silver. Cents at all. Hi there.
Who's that
Gold,
smile?
silver.
Y'all gonna go to silver?
Ralphie. Is that for me?
Here you go.
Why, thank you.
No.
Huh? As you're robbing me. Gold, silver. Any cents down this way? Robbing kids with gold, silver, copper, dollars. Any cents at all? Uh-oh.
Hey, what are you doing near my train?
Well, I was just checking for a flat tire. Your train's go ahead
Well,
and
I've got a
go.
reward for you then.
All right, what you got?
It's lead.
Lead. Now, I don't need no lead.
Why don't you need no lead?
Well, you see, I run better unleaded.
Well, I see that. Well, you call your sister up here.
Call her what?
I say call her up here.
Okay, up here.
I don't like that.
That is not what I meant.
Well, it is what you said.
You know you're about this close to an idiot.
I didn't know that.
That's pretty good, Ralph. So what's going on up here?
What's going on is I went all the way down there. There weren't no Yankees.
No
No
Yankees.
Nope, and to make things worse, I come back and I catch you two robbing my train.
We're sorry about that.
Well, don't tell me you're sorry. You tell all them you're sorry.
Ralph, you tell all them you're sorry.
Okay, you're sorry.
Here you go.
How's that?
How bad with you two? I'm just going to go down here and blast myself bowling.
Uh-oh, you're bowling.
I'm a bowler.
You
You're
might
a
wanna
bowler. Run!
Find a tree.
Find a tree.
Ralph, we can still see part of you.
Uh-uh.
On the count of three, everybody yell bang. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, simulated pain.